viewers, I'm Advocate K. Rawat from Lexington Company. Today we're going to talk about framing of issues under Civil Procedure Code 1908. So, when one party affirms and another party denies a material proposition of fact or law, then only issues arises. If there is no specific denial, the question of framing issues does not generally arise. Material propositions are those propositions of law or fact. The plaintiff must allege such material propositions in order to show his right to sue. In the same way, defendant must allege as to constitute his defense. Unless each material proposition is affirmed by the plaintiff and denied by the defendant, a distinct issue will not form. Now, what is material proposition? Basically, material proposition can be understood in sense of two aspects. Those are propositions of fact and proposition of law. Those propositions of fact or law which a plaintiff must specifically allege in order to show a right to sue, or a defendant must specifically allege in order to constitute his defense in such suit. In Sri Nanjadari versus the chairman, it was held that it is mandatory on the part of the trial court to frame all necessary issues arising the pleadings, that is, material proposition of fact and law of affirmed by one party and denied by the other. Now, when does a distinct issue form? To form a distinct issue, a material proposition must affirmed by one party and denied by the other. Unless each material proposition is affirmed by the plaintiff and denied by the defendant, a distinct issue will not form. Now, what are the kinds of issue? If defendant makes no defense, framing and recording issue by the court does not arise, that too, in such a case, a court need to frame and record a issue in as much as the defendant makes no defense at the first hearing of the suit. In Desi Kedri versus Hazurabad Cooperative Marketing Society Limited, it was held that issue need not be framed when there is no dispute with regard to material awardments in the plate. According to Rule 1, Subclause 4 of CPC, issue are two kinds: issue of fact, issue of law. I hope you are pretty much clear with this concept of framing of issues, and if not so, then do let me know in the comment section. I will see you guys super soon in my next video with some other legal topic. Till then, take care of yourself.